Next up, bag 'em and tag 'em. Loot and extract 4 enemy dog tags and loot and extract 2 pieces of Black Mous Intel from Rohan Oil. The first part is usually the most difficult, unless you get squad wipes pretty often. Essentially, you need to knock down and finish 4 enemies, and they need to be player enemies. When you loot them inside of their backpacks on the extreme left-hand side, you'll find a dog tag that you can pick up and put in your inventory. Note that if you knock and KO one enemy, pick up their dog tag, you'll be marked for the entire enemy team throughout the rest of their game. So wherever you travel, you'll have a bright red circle around you on the map so they can follow you pretty easily until you extract. That being said, if you play with friends or happen to find people practically AFK pretty often, your life's going to be pretty easy. For me, this took me many games to do. So there we go. Looking inside of my inventory, I now have my last dog tag here, and pressing M, you can see 3 out of 4 loot and extract enemy dog tags are complete. Next up, we need to collect 2 pieces of Black Mous Intel from Rohan Oil. I'd recommend collecting the dog tags first, as it'll take the longest amount of time, usually, unless you team wipe a squad of 4 and pick up all of the dog tags. But now for the Black Mous Intel. So now that you get to Rohan Oil, we need to look at these small buildings around the corners and the sides here. Inside of these, you'll find tables and shelves. Basically, these should have Black Mous Intel on them. They won't be in bags, they won't be in cupboards, lockers, or anything like that. We're pretty much only exclusively looking on shelves. And of course, tables. They may be in other buildings as well, but more likely than not, they'll be on these small buildings on the boundaries. Checking the corner one here, we have nothing. Of which there doesn't see. I got 1. Black Mous Intel times 2. Pog. I got everything. Hop. Let's go. And just like that, we've successfully finished bag and tag 'em, loot and extract 4 enemy dog tags, and loot and extract 2 pieces of Black Mous Intel from Rohan Oil. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobi here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.